What is a default divorce? If you filed for divorce, your spouse has to file an answer with the court. It is essentially a response. Now, if your spouse does not file an answer and does not do anything in response to the divorce papers that were served on him or her, then you are entitled to what's called a default divorce. You are allowed to ask the court to grant you a divorce without your spouse's input or approval. Most often, the judge will not just give you everything that you ask for. It has to be within reason, and you will still have to present evidence. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free kit to do your own divorce, please check the description box below to sign up.